Hey, welcome to Gargoyles in Diecast. I'm Gargoyle, of course. Today's build, we're going to be doing something quite different from usual. This is going to be for the Diecast International Builders August group build due on the 5th, and they chose motorcycle as the theme. It's the first time I've seen them do that in the year that I've been doing all their builds. So yeah, it's interesting. Question is, I've got a bunch of motorcycles here, as you see. But what can I really do with these? I mean, you can't change the wheels or anything on them. Unless you steal one off another bike, I guess, but they're all pretty much the same. The only thing you can really do is a little bit of paint. And that would be it. And that's just, you guys know me, that's not going to be enough for me. So I nixed these. And I decided to step up. So I had some of these. Some Maestro Harleys. And I'm like, this one would be kind of cool if I did the sidecar and everything. But once again, this is one of those that you'd have to take apart, and these are kind of a pain in the butt to take apart and get back together. All in one piece. And it's still just, I don't know, it's not enough customizing, I guess, would be the way to say it. So I said screw it, and I decided to do a gargoyle thing this time. It's been a while since I've done a surprise build of any sort. I have one more motorcycle over here to take a look at. Some of you guys may recognize this. This is Mikey's bike from Orange County Choppers. And this is going to be my motorcycle build. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm back. Not sure how this comes apart, but I've seen some screw heads and stuff, so we're going to start taking it apart and hopefully figure it out. Alright, so I'm back from the first round of paint, and as you can see, it didn't go quite according to plan. So I'm going to do something I haven't had to do in quite a while. I'm calling an audible. Back to the paint booth. And here we are. This is what I came up with. I like it much better than that pastel blue or light blue, whatever you want to call that color that they had on it for Mikey's bike. I want to thank Diecast International Builders once again for hosting these events once a month. It's usually due on the 5th of each month. If you're interested, feel free to join in. And I will see you guys all on the next one. And I say that loosely because I have a couple more of these to do, but It was a little harder than I thought it was going to be, so I'll probably hold off a little while on doing the others just yet. But yeah, sooner or later, I'll do more motorcycles. Until next time, though, that's all, folks. Bye now.